video. Today I'm going to be starting my Ttr125 build. So I bought this bike today actually for pretty dang cheap. It's in overall good condition, pretty clean plastics. But as you can see, absolutely no compression. So I'm thinking either a valve is bent or it's just shot from the inside. Timing is messed up. So I'm going to be doing a whole little build series on this, so keep in touch. As you can see, this bowl is pretty gross. Jets and everything don't seem too bad, so I think we'll be fine on this end. Alright, now we're going to take the chain off, so we need to pop off this little master link. It can be a little tricky sometimes, but especially since this one's really slippery. There we are. A little master link. Our clip. There's another piece. Now we get to take the whole link out, and then our chain is separated. Everything's pretty much disconnected from the engine, so now I'm going to take off all the motor mounts, and we'll have the motor out in no time. Okay, sorry about that delay. I'm sorry I didn't record all this part. I ended up just being in too much of a rush, and I had to have my dad help me with this. So here's our finished product. So I was correct about the bent valve. As you can see, that intake valve is bent open, even at top dead center. And our cylinder as well is pretty scraped up. Let me grab the flashlight and show you. If you can see all in here, our cylinder is nice and scraped. But everything else is nice. I redid the carburetor. I cleaned it all up. Seems pretty good. Here's our little motor. Here's our little timing chain. Crankcase looks really good. Like pretty much no wear at all. A little bit of a heat mark there, but that's normal. So it's pretty good overall. So everyone, please stay tuned with this build. I'm gonna be doing a full top end. I'm gonna be replacing this valve, and I'm actually gonna film this part, I promise. And I'm also just gonna be doing a lot of cosmetics and changing the tires and etc. So stay tuned for the next video and expect these every couple of days.